can see on your subject channel, click over there. There is your maths worksheet. On notes, you can find your maths worksheet. I will show.
I checked there and there's no.
There is worksheet. Check the date and then you'll be able to find.
Okay.
Look at here. Let me share the screen. Where you have to find your maths, you will be able to find your worksheet. Let's see here on MS Team. Look at here. Yesterday I shared your chapter 10 maths worksheet. See, this is okay on the same page, chapter 10. The other you have to, when you will click here on notes, you will find your maths worksheet also.
Okay.
Yesterday worksheet. See, it's shared over here.
Thank you.
Look at here, click here. Yesterday, what was the date yesterday? 12. Look at here. When you click on 12, see, this is your maths yesterday worksheet. Got it?
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Wa alaikum assalam. Now,
Teacher, why you were so late?
who is so late?
Do you know maths class start in 11:10? So you came late.
Sorry. Are you okay?
No.
I don't think so. I am not late. The class is starting. This Ramadan timing is changed. And 9, we have to start the class at 9:10 now. Okay. Now today we are starting our work on worksheet page number. I have shared chapter 11 worksheet. We'll be doing the chapter 11 worksheet today, inshallah.
Remove the sign. Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Wa alaikum assalam.
It's me, Mariam.
Okay, Mariam, how are you?
Yes, fine, teacher. I didn't take the class tomorrow. That's why my internet was gone.
Okay, sometimes this is happening. Due to internet connection, we used to face the problems. Okay, now today we are revising our chapter 11 worksheet, which is here again on both. And now what I'm going to do, write down the date you have to. Today is 13/4/2021. The day is, what is the day today? Who is going to tell? Tuesday. All right.
13-4-2021 Tuesday. Okay, wait.
Yes.
Mama.
Wait.
क्या हुआ? क्या?
Chapter 11. All right. Now look at the worksheet. Worksheet is here. Which number comes next? You have to add and write. So you are not writing first. We are revising. Then you will write. You will do the written work. So look at here now. Let me record
We have to.
I forgot to start the recording. And only 13 students are in class. They don't know that we have to join the class. Why they are not joining the class? Okay. What comes next? 31?
39.
39. Okay. So 38 plus 1 will be 39.
Open 3 fingers and count. Okay.
64 plus 3, 67.
Okay, 38 plus 1 will be 39. So what comes in this box? 39. And what we have to write here? 39. 64 plus 3. What you have to write? 65, 66, 67. Yes, Vida, what happened?
And teacher, do we have to print it?
No, it's up to you. You are doing with me. You are already revising it, and you are doing with me in class on your copy or any loose sheet, but fix those sheet in your file. Okay. If your mother wants to print, it's fine. I don't know. I don't have any issue with that. But the thing is this, you are doing with me in the class right now. Okay. You just have to write the question and do it in the class with me on your copy or whatever the pages you have. It's not important to print. Okay, 64 plus 3, 65, 66, 67. So what we have to write here?
Teacher, where can I find it from?
67. Okay, now we have to add to find the sum. Remember that we have learned first we used to add the one side and then we used to add 10 side. So which number comes here? 6 plus 2 will be what? 8. And 4 plus 1 will be?
5.
5. So we'll write 5. 6 plus 2, 8. You have to write 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. So you have to write 5 here. All right. Now here, what about 4 plus 2? From the one side, 4 plus 2 will be what? 6.
6.
And 6 plus 2 will be?
8.
8. Your sum will be 86. 4 plus 2, 6. You have to write 6 here. 6 plus 2 is 8. So you have to write 8. So 86. Next. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 will be what?
9.
9. And 9 plus 2 is? 11. Then when we have to write 11 here. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. All right. Now from the one side, 9 plus 2.
11.
So this one is having C. We have to regroup now. 9 plus 2 is 11. We have to write 1 here from the 11 and the other one you have to write at top. So the 1 and 4 will be 5 and this one will be 6. So we will add all those three numbers. 9 plus 2, 11. From 11 we will write only one side number which will be 1. We write 1 here and the other one we move it over there. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Yes, please. What happened?
Only person teacher.
Okay, you are not writing. We are just revising.
Your
Okay.
day's homework. So I will write here $1.
Do you understand that how we again 8 plus 3 is what?
5 cents.
Yes, Sandra. 8 plus 3.
After 9 are your cents.
8 plus 3 is 8.
They have written
9, 10, 11.
Zero.
We have to
They
write
have
11, 1 here, and the other one will go at top. Then we add all together. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So we have to write 7 here. So 71. Remember, we have learned the addition with renaming or without renaming. Is this? Yes, grade 1. Any confusion? Anything? Children? Any problem you are facing? Or you can do? Do you understand? Where is grade 1? Do you understand how to do the remaining one? Question?
Yes.
Okay. Now. Okay. Now what we are going to do, you have to do this question. Just write here on your copy, write the date, chapter 11. Only write this number, 38 1 plus 39. Only write this. And 64 plus 3, only write the sum.
Wait.
Or you can do like this also. See, like
Teacher.
38. You don't have to write all the things. 38 plus 1 equals 39. This you have to write only question number and the sum like this. Don't write the whole thing. Okay.
A, B, C, no, do it, do it, Teacher, I am done. Teacher, I am done. with the work.
Okay. Well done. This next. You have done 64 plus 3 also.
Yes. 60. Yeah.
Don't make the boxes.
Okay, wait. I can make stars. So here.
Just write this. Just write these here. Down. It's okay. Don't make boxes.
Actually, I want to make boxes.
Make.
Teacher, I'm done this question.
You have done.
Teacher, can you go to question?
Okay. What about rest of the students? Everyone finish? Next question.
Mama, can I give us a cake also?
6 plus 2 is what?
4,
8.
6, 1, 2. Yeah, but
Add this.
okay.
First, this. One's one side add 6 plus 2
6 plus 2.
is
No. No. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. 2. 6 in my mind. 6 in my mind. 8, 8. No. 7, 8. 8 here. And 5.
yes.
58. Wait, question number 2. They were like less than. G O
4 plus 1, 5.
Polar. Maybe because medicine was a little more developed. Yeah.
So have you done?
Hmm, 6, 4, again. 2, 2. 2. And plus. Question number 8.
इसके ऊपर बेडशीट आ जाए ना फिर आ जाए ना भाई आप दूसरे भैया के साथ खेल लो
6. 2. 6. 8. 8.
है ना ताई मामा पहले मुझे नहीं करने देती इट्सा को कैसे जंपिंग करने दोगी
I'm done. Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, next question also.
Yes. Teacher.
मामा आप तो अभी कह रही थी कि ये ब्लैंकेट है
Okay, stop talking. Okay, can I move the screen?
लग रहा तो ये बेडशीट है लेकिन आप कह रही हो ये ब्लैंकेट है
Who is talking?
ओह सॉरी sorry teacher I forgot to mute my mic
Maybe because the world was more modernized, so like women marry later. Teacher, why do you start?
Done, beta. Next.
No, teacher.
I'm
No.
changing.
No, teacher, I want to say it. Yes.
You want me to explain again?
No. Go down.
Next questions.
Yes.
This you have done?
Yes. Teacher.
teacher.
All right. Next, these two questions you have to do. This one and that one. D and E.
Keep going. Nine, 1, 2, 4, 9, 1, 2. Okay. Plus 2, 12.
D
Hello.
and E you have to do right now.
9, 10, 11. I'll put 11 here.
Put 1 here and you will add 1 with this.
1 with this.
Yeah.
Okay. Stop. Now. 4 plus 1.
Yeah.
5 plus 1.
6.
6. Okay. Okay, now this one, she's safe.
Okay. Can you show how many students finished these questions?
I did not finish the question number E.
All right. Quickly finish it.
Okay, teacher. Again. 4, 3, 1, 8. 1, 8. Teacher, I'm done.
Okay. Show me.
I'm done. Which one?
Take the picture, bete. Take the picture of your work and upload. Okay.
Okay.
Show me, Ansha.
I'm not done.
Adi,
Okay?
have you done?
I'm showing you. Okay.
I have shared this worksheet on MS Team also. The worksheet is in notes also. Sorry, beta.
10. No, please.
How many questions Adi you have done? Okay. The class is about to finish. It's 9:40. You can continue your work after the class event because we have only 5-minute break during the lessons. So your other teacher will be waiting. Okay. So I will end the meeting now.
Teacher, I'm showing you.
I'm end the meeting right now and take the picture.